MeghalayaPost.news.
Vice President ke India, Jagdeep Dhankar, abang poin rasi hanong ba Shillong, lasim yak banta kumukungsan, banbu yang memorim jong ke Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub Hanu Shillong. Aga jeng dorkat ulat ke jela, CH Bija Shankar, Menteri Rambak ke jela, Konrad Kesangma, Menteri Ketenaga Kerjaan ke Dr. Ampenelindo. Lembat gue ke Sarkar. Aga nasi Vice President ke India, ulah pripai baru, ya ke CM Business Catalyst Student B Plan Challenge, batka IIM Shillong. Baru lasoi ke sekolah dengan ke UNDP, batka Sarkar Meghalaya, mag bentaban kentiu, ya ke sengkam sengjam kun semla. Gumbalaman pau ya ke Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub ante, hak jeka ke badan nru poin san pusau akar, Hanu Shillong, bat hak jenglot belakon, siakan nyok poin san klur. Kene ke Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub, kene ke jeka kerpang ban ID kai kun semla, naga bentaban kentiu hak kalian ke sengkam sengjam, bat kiwe ki belong ke jemplilat, ya ki kun semla, ban la ban yang halagi jo, jan. Abakuren hak kene sengi, Vice President Gerindia, Jagdeep Dhankar, ulai ke jengiro, yang Menteri Rambak ke jalan Meghalaya, Konrad Kesangma, alor sibun ki lat kinti ki balot tau de pentukam na ka benta ban kintiu ki sap ki pong ki kun semla ha ka jela la kalong ha kano ke sap ka bakidon ban kersian ya de ban kintiu ya kayo ko ka jela.
Extend a very warm welcome to the Honorable Vice President of India on his maiden visit to Shillong and to our beautiful state of Meghalaya. So we thank you for taking your time out. I know that being Vice President, you have many other responsibilities, and yet you have decided to spend one full day and even halt in Shillong for one night so that you're able to spend ample time with the people and be able to really see what are the different activities and things that are happening in the state of Meghalaya. In rural areas, especially when it comes to food processing, we realize there's huge opportunities. So this is just one picture of one of the food processing units that has come up. And we are taking products from the farmers out there, and we're making local ice cream, local juice, local chips in this particular location.
You all are blessed to be living here. Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri C.H. Vijayashankarji, a man of great experience, exposure, and proficient in administration. His presence would mean a lot to the state of Meghalaya. He wants to be in the 85% category. I have to look at my category. You are lucky. But let me assure you all, and the Honorable Governor pointed out, the demographic composition of the state is very soothing, wholesome, and is a perfect recipe for success. The teenage youth, the mid-level youth, the mature youth, and the 15% category. 15% category is also good cholesterol required. We will be contributing hugely to the growth of the nation, and therefore this has to be done. Skilling by itself is capacity building. I have seen for myself. We don't take the first step. We fear it. We fear it thinking it is difficult. Let me tell you, there is no step which our youth cannot take. All are equal. You must be guided by your attitude and aptitude. But therein, if you get an idea in your mind, please don't make your mind as a parking place. Your mind is meant to be a crucible of innovation. Try it. It's a remarkable achievement that will be game changer. What I saw here, and much of it is already in progress, I can visualize the days of this state are for the better and role model for other similar states. My congratulations to you and your team for being very thoughtful, futuristic, and taking into consideration our contemporaneous needs and requirements. Congratulations.
meghalayapost.news